Hey, it's Gina from WTA. We have a really interesting laundry setup, and I needed a hamper that was going to be able to accommodate our circumstances. So our washing machine is out in our warehouse, and I either hang up laundry to dry in our yard or we have a dryer inside our home. This Hennez laundry hamper has two separate bags inside that are mesh, and that has been perfect for me being able to put wet laundry inside and take it into where it needs to be dried, and then put dirty laundry in it in the home and then bring it back out to the warehouse to do my washing. The mesh is really strong and the seams are very secure because it handles all of that really heavy wet laundry that I have. I think that the hamper is really beautiful with the bamboo accents. This holds a lot of laundry and has been perfect for just my husband and I at home to handle the amount of laundry that we make. I think this hamper is really classy looking. I think it can fit into a lot of different aesthetics in your home. I have had it inside our home in a tiny little closet. It looked good there, but I've decided that it works really well out here in the warehouse. I'm very happy with this hamper, and that's my point of view.